Bingx versus Bingx. Which is the better bet for crypto trading? Hey there, folks. Ryan here, and I'm about to dive deep into the world of crypto trading and break down the battle between two of the biggest players in the game, Bingx and Bingx. Yeah, you heard me right, Bingx and Bingx. These two platforms have been making waves in the crypto sphere, and it's time to find out which one is the better bet for all you crypto cowboys and cowgirls out there. Now, I know what you're thinking, Bingx and Bingx. Aren't they the same thing? Well, let me tell you, my friends, they're as different as a bull and a bear in a china shop. These two platforms have their own unique features, strengths, and weaknesses, and it's up to you to decide which one is the right fit for your crypto trading needs. First up, let's talk about Bingx. This platform has been around for a while and has established itself as a go-to destination for crypto traders of all experience levels. One of the biggest advantages of Bingx is its user-friendly interface, which makes it a breeze to navigate even for those who are new to the crypto game. And let me tell you, the range of cryptocurrencies available on Bingx is downright impressive. We're talking about over 150 different digital assets, so you can diversify your portfolio like a boss. But that's not all, folks. Bingx also offers a ton of advanced trading tools and features that'll have you feeling like a crypto trading pro in no time. From margin trading to copy trading, this platform has got it all. And let's not forget about the juicy incentives and bonuses that Bingx offers to its users. We're talking about things like referral programs, where you can earn big bucks by bringing your friends on board. Heck, I even heard that if you sign up using the referral code 911, you'll get some extra perks. Just saying. Now, let's shift our focus to the other contender in this crypto trading showdown, Bingx. This platform has been making some serious waves in the industry, and it's easy to see why. One of the biggest selling points of Bingx is its lightning-fast execution speeds, which means you can get in and out of trades faster than a speeding bullet. And let's not forget about the top-notch security features that Bingx has in place, ensuring that your crypto assets are as safe as a bank vault. But wait, there's more. Bingx also offers a killer mobile app, so you can trade on the go, no matter where you are. And let's not forget about the insane range of trading pairs available. We're talking about hundreds of different options, so you can diversify your portfolio like a boss. Now, I know what you're thinking. All right, Ryan, so which one is the better bet? Well, my friends, it's a tough call, but I've got to give the edge to Bingx. Why, you ask? Well, let me break it down for you. First and foremost, the user-friendly interface and the sheer range of cryptocurrencies available on Bingx are just too good to pass up. And let's not forget about those juicy incentives and bonuses. I mean, who doesn't love free money, am I right? Plus, the advanced trading tools and features on Bingx are just the icing on the cake. But don't just take my word for it, folks. I highly recommend that you check out the Bingx platform for yourself and see what all the hype is about. And remember, when you sign up, be sure to use the referral code 911 to unlock some extra perks. Trust me, it'll be worth your while. Now, I know I've been gushing about Bingx for a while, but let's not forget about the other contender, Bingx. This platform is no slouch, and it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for lightning-fast execution speeds and top-notch security features. And let's not forget about that killer mobile app, perfect for those of you who are always on the go. So, there you have it, folks. The battle between Bingx and Bingx is a tough one, but in my humble opinion, Bingx comes out on top. But don't just take my word for it. Go check it out for yourself and see what all the fuss is about. And remember, when you sign up, be sure to use that referral code 911. Trust me, it'll be worth your while. Well, that's all I've got for you today, folks. I hope this has been helpful and informative and that you're feeling a little more confident about diving into the world of crypto trading. Remember, always do your own research and never invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, happy trading, and don't forget to check out the links and contacts in the attached comment.